Okay, now I gotta start trimming these inner fender wells to clear the motor and the pieces in the part. PGR pipe, I gotta cut a little more, but we are getting so close and it fits so good. I'm gonna cut a little more, push the cap that way, get that fender bolted up to the cab. Got our clearance, as you can see. I got a problem. My radiator core support's bent, and I think it's bringing in one of the sides too close, so we gotta cut it. So this core support's bent, and I think it's bringing this that way, hitting that fan. I'm gonna use a ratchet strap to pull that fender back. We made it.